Here you can see the guava tree. This is the first tree of my garden. Here is the guava tree. Look here. This is the guava. Okay, this is big of this tree. Here you can see a huge guava. Okay, this is brinjal tea. This is my small garden, and I work sometime at the evening and at the morning. This is palm tree. You can see that. Okay, this is very big. After a few days, this tree grew up some flower and then some fruit. The big tree and guava you can see here also. There is the fruit. After some week, it will be ripe and ready for eat. Another one. Okay, this is brinjal tree, some vegetable tree under the big trees. Okay, there are some duck. This is my duck. Come here. They need food. The duck found their food. They go to my garden for finding some insect. This is some tree of my garden. Here you can see that. Here also, this is fruit tree. Here you can see this is the flower coming on my tree. Okay, friends. You see the nature.